Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah, and welcome to my channel, Vocabulary, a place where beginners can learn to speak English with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll be able to shop in English easily. But have you ever wondered what the magic words are that people actually use inside a store? And how do you ask about anything you see without hesitating or freezing up? Let's find out together. Where am I? Where am I? I'm in the store. The shop. A store is the place where you buy things. Very good. Now, what is this path right here? This is the aisle. The aisle. Pronounced aisle. An aisle is the walk lane between shelves. What about that number right there? What is that? That is the price. The price. And what is the name of this little piece of paper you get after paying? It's the receipt. The receipt. Pronounced receipt. Very good. Where do you go when you want to try on clothes? In the changing room. The fitting room. And what is the name of the place where you pay? The place where you pay is the checkout. The checkout. Finally, what is this tag for? Small, medium, or large? That's the size. The size. Now, if you are looking for the store itself, you can ask, "Excuse me, where is store name?" Excuse me, where is store name? For example, excuse me, where is Zara? Next, how do you ask for a specific item? You say, "Excuse me, where can I find item?" Excuse me, where can I find item? For example, excuse me, where can I find milk? If you need a different size or color, you can ask, "Do you have this in size or color?" Do you have this in size or color? For example, do you have this in medium? Or do you have this in black? Then ask where to go by saying, "Where are the fitting rooms?" Where are the fitting rooms? And to ask for the price, you can say, "How much is this?" How much is this? Or how much does this cost? How much does this cost? Awesome job! Now let's quickly repeat. Store. Store. Aisle. Aisle. Price. Price. Receipt. Receipt. Changing room. Checkout. Checkout. Very good. If you want to learn more English vocabulary and phrases to speak with confidence, make sure to watch this next video right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. See you next time.